How you doing? Today we're going to be making carne asada. You'll need a half bunch of cilantro. You'll also need one serrano pepper and one habanero pepper. Let's put them in the food processor and chop them until they're fine. Let's add 3 tablespoons of malt vinegar to half a cup of olive oil. And now we're going to add the juice of 2 limes and the juice of 1 orange to the mix. Let's add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cumin each, a half tablespoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper each. Let's mix in our cilantro and pepper blend. Add the marinade to the bag and refrigerate for about 4 to 8 hours. Place in the oven on high broil and cook for 5 minutes. Flip and then place back in oven until your carne asada reaches 155 degrees.